Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faisal Ahmed Apun. I'm from Bangladesh. I am a YouTuber right now. I'm working on YouTube and personal project. So here is my channel. Name is Faisal Ahmed Apun. Just type on here. Faisal AHMMED Apun. So you will find my channel. That's name is Faisal Ahmed Apun. Username also Faisal Ahmed Apun. So please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. If you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Here is my all the social media link: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Mybar, Telegram, Skype, and that's when Discord is all available here. All here. If you have any project, so let's contact with me. You can contact with me. I am trying to solve out your problem. And if you have any bug fixing projects, so call me. This is my number and international number +88 and 0130778869. You can call me anytime. WhatsApp is available. Twitter is available. Telegram is available. Skype is available, and Discord also be available. So please subscribe my channel. So let's jump to the project. Here is the project. Right now is a backend. I have already hopefully you watch my videos. So here is the videos, how to customize the admin dashboard. Here is this video. I show how to get admin template in backend side. Okay, so today we will learn separately run admin template. Okay, so you start a video or you start a video sharing how to manage backend and frontend part by category. So today we will transfer this data by this controller. Okay, dashboard controller. That's mean I'm trying to make out this is frontend and backend part. Here is the backend part. So first of all, I'm trying to backend part. Okay, this route will use for backend part. Okay, and this route would use for frontend part. Okay, so what we need, we need transfer this one in controller side. Okay, that's controller, this controller, dashboard controller. So first I'm trying to get route. Okay, double clone, get URL. First URL, what's the URL name? Dashboard. Okay, and controller. Who is controller? I'm trying to index, and its name will be dashboard. Okay, so here is the controller, right? Here is the controller. So who is controller we need? We need backend controller. Who is controller? Backend dashboard controller, right? Backend dashboard controller. We have already two dashboard controller. One is a frontend or is a backend. So I need a backend controller. Okay, done. So right now separate on this. Okay, go and make a function that will be name is index and return v1 index. I hope hopefully work. Yeah, it's working. So next I'm trying to solve out same to same like that, working on base controller. Is will be redirect on the slash and dashboard controller index, and okay, this dashboard controller will use for front end. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a mistake. It will be, make a error. Okay, this will make a error. Yes, hopefully it's make a error front end. Okay, yeah, it's error, right? My guess is okay. So we need change. How to change? Change means front end controller. Here is will be front end controller. Okay. Front end controller is okay. So front end controller. Okay. Now I'm trying to solve this front end controller, front end controller, and here is the front end controller. That's been okay, and will be that's the name is name will be dashboard. No, it's not dashboard, it's front end. Okay. So return will be return, so no need this one, and will be returned in front end controller. Yes, front end controller. Of course will be index folder, index method. I'm sorry, index method. So here is the front end and front end. No need the front end, we will make it index. Okay, resource views front end, and is a front end. No need the front end, we will make it index. I hope all is okay. Yeah, all is okay. Hopefully all is okay. Yeah, it's done. All is okay right now. Is okay. Okay, next, what next? Next I'm trying to make its base controller. Okay, base controller means here will be route. Okay, it's a route group and working here. So of course it will be auth, right? Middle layer will be auth, and as means will be name here. Okay, admin dot, that's mean its a name will be here same like that, our name, controller name, and URL name is admin dot dashboard. So I am using the prefix add into automatic in every route name, and I'm trying to make prefix. Okay, prefix prefix also name will be admin. Okay, admin. Also like that here, also same like that, we don't need any route. So here is the documentation, here is the route, we don't need this one, we need what we need, predefined name is need unknown. Of course it will be base URL, of course will be base URL here, and no need exactly prefix here, prefix name here, and is name will be front end. Okay, we need set a front end here. It will get automated here. Okay, its name will be front end here. Okay, so I'm trying to check is already okay or not. Yeah, all is okay. So hopefully all is okay. So right now, okay, right now is all is okay. Front end and back end side is okay. How many is making this video is already 10 minutes. Okay. So right now I'm trying to solve this. URL name is admin. Okay, prefix admin. Okay, prefix admin. Here is the dashboard, right? Yeah, right now is okay. So it's automatic. Will get admin here, admin, and name will be admin is already is okay. So next video we will make user role and permission. Okay, role and permission. How to role and permission using Spite. So here is the basic uses. Yeah, here is the basic uses, how to manage. I will make this one by next video. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.